We are much warmer than we were yesterday at this time. Take a look, Des Moines 12 degrees warmer than we were yesterday. You certainly feel it as you step out your door. We're already into the 80s in several locations in central Iowa. Some 70s still holding on, but it won't be long. Everyone will be in the 80s by this afternoon. Look at the downtown sky cam. We do have that filtered hazy sunshine out there, and that will be out there throughout the day today. We have those temperatures that are being drawn in by this stout southwest wind, 16 miles per hour. It is going to be a gusty afternoon. It is all coming out of the southwest, so it is streaming in some higher dew points, so it's a little bit more muggy than it's been, but it's still not super muggy. I mean, this isn't summer, right? We do have those temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 80s early afternoon. They will start to drop off. Picture perfect for football tonight. Notice those winds. They will be with us through this evening before they do start to back down as we go through the overnight hours. Temperatures comfortably into the 70s, dropping off into the 60s and eventually some 50s for some folks out of town. Now we can thank the warm weather because of this warm front. It is continuing to push off to the northeast, and in its place this cold front. This is going to drop through and it will lower our highs tomorrow, but still very comfortable. We'll see those temperatures into the 70s and 80s, so you definitely will feel it in northern Iowa. Just a little bit cooler, but not as windy tomorrow. We will have a breeze, but it will be more light than what we have today. So if you are going to the game up to Ames tomorrow, mostly sunny. It will be beautiful tomorrow with those light winds. As you drive home, that sun will be setting 6:40 p.m. It is getting earlier and earlier, isn't it? On Sunday, take a look at these temperatures. They're going to climb up just a little bit into the upper 70s, low 80s, so another beautiful day to get outside, and we're getting to that time of year. Northeast Iowa is having their peak right now for the fall colors. We're going to start to see that here next week in central Iowa, and then late next week as we head into the week beyond that. That's when southern Iowa and west central Iowa, that's kind of when we're going to start to see those areas begin to peak. So plenty of opportunity this weekend to get out there and see those leaves, really enjoy them. And then as we head into Sunday night, we are going to start to see from the northwest, there's going to be a complex of showers and thunderstorms. These are going to enter into central Iowa as we go through the overnight hours. Rumbles of thunder. Northwest Iowa could see some strong to severe storms out of this. By the time it gets to central Iowa, that potential really starts to back down. As far as rainfall tracker, north central Iowa does look to pick up the most as of right now, but generally a quarter inch or less as you head off to the southeast. So that hazy sunshine, dry skies today with those gusty winds sticking around. We'll get a break from them tonight and tomorrow, but they will be back for Sunday. Keep that in mind. 60 degrees, not bad as those winds do settle down. As we look at that 8-day forecast, not much rain. We do have that rain chance on Monday, but then beyond that, more sunshine and cooler temperatures by the end of that 8-day.
That does look good. Thank you, Bree.